Hey friends, if you wish to fix Logtransport2 exe application error on closing the computer in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So go to your account.adobe.com page, okay, and then we need to log into it with the account with which you are logged into every other application. So I will select this option. Okay, I will log into it. Now I'll wait till I'm inside the account. Now I'll go to account and security, and then I'll go to account. I'll go to sign in and security. Okay. And data and privacy settings. I'll wait till it loads. There's something which says share information on how I use Adobe apps. Uncheck it. Uncheck the second one. Allow Adobe to analyze my content, process, etc. And then you can simply close this and it will work as normal. Restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.